Not bad. I don't really like that.
22?
We're chasing.
Doesn't kill you, makes you stronger. I don't want that shit.
I'm not gonna make. I made it.
I got a country start.
Where are? I'm coming.
Okay.
I think Runan's is good on Samira. Yeah, I'll try
I
it.
don't know.
I'll give it a shot.
I don't know what's good on here. I'm assuming you just want like
ED.
armor shred and a lot of damage.
She's executioner, so if she gets crit built in, so if I just go like a death blade and like.
That's what I was saying. I think you go like armor shred with a bunch of just physical damage.
Yeah,
So
like a
Runans
less...
is probably decent if you're trying to like spread out your damage.
Yeah.
Because I feel like when you play Samira, you put a shit ton of items on Urgot because he's the one that does all the AoE, and then Samira just hard targets one person before shields.
I chase him from Salty Springs to Retail Row.
Dang.
I'm gonna hold on.
You feel like sending me that
way.
Tom Kench? Like right now?
Oh, yeah.
Right, you're a mile away.
You're welcome.
You're getting there. You're getting there.
I'm holding a Samira for you, too.
Okay. I have one Annie so far.
Doggy's in a rough situation.
I don't know how to fly a plane, and I.
That's a big boy Tom for you.
Oh, yeah.
I'm done. I'm done with this garbage game. Why is it drop shotgun in the game?
That's what I'm saying, Augie. That's what I'm saying.
That's me for the last.
Oh, you didn't even get to see range Slim Shady, Augie. Yep. I doubt he's still there, but he could be.
Another 2-star top.
You want to hold him? You can send me him.
There, but oh, he's on it. He's on it.
Yeah, I should get another sender at some point.
Past it over there at the house. Yeah, there's 2 of them. You gonna try to fight him?
Hold on, I'm trying to make you proud.
Are there other people building him?
Oh, mess him up.
Probably not. He's like never played.
Nice. If that was a 1v1, you actually would have killed him. His friend saved you, or his friend saved him. Good try. So I'm gonna make you proud.
I mean, I tried.
You did try.
Okay.
You did try.
I'm gonna go call Paige
Yeah, we'll
now.
play again tomorrow. Bye bye.
Yep. Bye.
Yeah.
Bye, Slug. Get wrecked.
Ooh, that Brienne's works really good with her ult, actually.
What does?
Samira's ult of Brunan's, every time she shoots with her ult, which is like a rapid fire thing, it shoots out little tiny ones, so it actually works really well.
So it's like an auto attack?
Yeah.
That's interesting.
He's also an execute.
Nice. I will take that. I guess, I don't know. I don't know. I guess maybe Echo.
Oh, maybe I should have taken that Katarina. It's 2-star and a tier redemption. It is what it is.
It is what it is. Hope I could find the rest of my Annies. I don't know if
still
anyone's
got one.
building them.
Yeah, I saw someone had a 2-star.
Yeah, this guy does. Oh, this guy's building like the same exact shit as me. What the hell? You see this cringe lord?
Which one is it? Oh, this guy.
When I'm fighting? He's got like the same build as me, bruh. Too bad he's getting fucking dumpstered on right now. Doesn't have much money either. He doesn't know the reroll strats. There's another Tom Kench. Don't need him though. Another Tom Kench. I could have freaking 3-starred my own Tom Kench at this point. They keep giving him to me. Ooh, actually, I need that.
Are you gonna end up playing Tarek?
I'm probably gonna replace him with a Moo.
Okay. And nothing I need.
Do we get our next sender here, or is enough for a little bit?
I got mine. It's after 5 rounds, I think.
Okay.
Yeah, after 5 rounds. So it's like if you send it at like 1-2, you get it back on.
So I was telling Riv that you get it back earlier if you use it early, but he wasn't sure if that was real, and I was like, I don't know what the logic is behind it.
If you hover the item, it regenerates every 5 rounds. So you could, every time it pops up, you could choose it, and
yeah, okay.
Theoretically, you would get more sends out of them.
Yeah.
So it probably is worth it just spamming it as soon as it comes up. Oh, can you send that Tom Kench? Are you able to?
Yeah. 3-star that guy. Now I just need to get a 2-star Moo and either a Puppy or a whatever the fuck you call the other one. Vex.
Seraphine? Oh, Vex.
Vex. Seraphine ain't no emo, bro.
Oh, yeah, emo. I thought you were talking about Spellweaver.
Oh no. Getting my items ready for the Moo. I have Dragon's Claw, Wormlogs on him already. Oh, his boy ain't gonna do shit, bro.
It's just an Annie. Golden ticket could be
2 lesser champion duplicators and 2 gold.
or frequent flyer.
That's a 3-star Annie. Maybe I should do that. I'll do it. And I'll reroll and see what I get quick. Actually, I should hold on to them in case I need them for a Moo right now. Oh, I don't like this guy. Oh, 3-star Evelyn that's healing a lot of damage. Why is he healing so much? Is it just the Seraphine? It is... Holy shit, it is Seraphine. She's healed 3k damage already. That's why she heals that much.
Come on, Tom, you can do it. Hold him. Hold the line. Yeah.
That's my boy right there. Sheesh. I can't even
I made it so
right
she
now.
couldn't.
Oh my god.
I made it so she couldn't heal with that item, whatever it's called.
Yeah.
Sunfire.
That was nice.
Boys are back in town.
That is very true.
I got an interesting team. I think it's not too bad.
Oh yeah.
5 country, 4 executioner this game, maybe?
Sheesh. I think that's gonna pop off.
I would like a new executioner headline like Akali eventually. She's executioner. Or Karthus. I might be kind of... Or if I get an emblem, or 2 emblems. Is it 2 emblems? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 1 emblem. I can get 7 country.
I need to start going for armor. Well, he took the only armor on the board. I guess maybe I take a blue buff.
Completed item, artifact item, 2 training dummies, and 3 tier 2s.
You said an artifact item?
Yeah, like an Orn item.
Send me one of those.
Anything good?
A diamond hands.
Well, that'd be good on a Moo.
Yeah.
Actually, I don't...
We're gonna
Become
do it.
invulnerable. The only thing is that
It's
he might drop
400
aggro.
HP. He doesn't drop aggro. It works like Zanya's, I think. Remember how Zanya's worked?
Yeah, but at that point, wouldn't they
Zanya's
go to
didn't.
attack the next tank too?
Well, Zanya's never dropped aggro. Dropped aggro. What drops aggro is the ones like the
Edge of Night?
Edge of Night, yeah. Where it like says that they become untargetable or whatever.
You have a strong team right now.
Yeah.
Guy's also going country.
He didn't even get below half to give me money, man. Damn it. Thieves Glove, 2 training dummies, spatula, or 3 2 costs.
I'll take the Thieves Gloves.
You're welcome. I have some Samiras sitting in the bench for you. I'll try to send a 2-star when I can.
I have not seen... I've seen 1 Annie.
Yeah, I gave up on trying to... Like, I still have her to 3-star, but I kind of, like, stopped looking for it at this point because the other guy. He ruined my plans, man. It's a horror for
Level
that
3
one.
Evelyn, level 3 Seraphine. I'm on level 1. Mir, you can do this. Oh, I destroyed that Evelyn.
Yeah.
Wow, Sunfire destroys this guy's team because he can't heal.
I'm against the other guy who's gone the same build as me, and it's kind of embarrassing. He has no money.
The boys are
this
back
weak.
in town. Look at his items, though.
Like, he's got good items, but his Amumu doesn't have shit for items.
Wait, he has
He just
salvage
has only
bin.
Dragon's Claw.
Why did he take salvage bin?
I don't know. An Ezreal.
Oh, my Katarine items
Oh
are
wow!
nuts.
I finally found an Annie after the first 3 turns. That was cool. That one's getting me hype.
Pipe.
Actually crazy. I hadn't found one more, and he just a 3-star here real quick. What is this, man? This shit, man. There's so
bro.
many Annies in the pool right now. They're all in there swimming without me. I'm a strong man. We haven't lost a round yet, but I'm jinxing us now. Your team deals 10% more damage, deal 15% more damage if you have the same active trait. Okay, dude, I'll do that one. That one sounds interesting. Also, here you go. I know you want that, so. I think I'm just gonna save and level up.
What I did.
Like, I want to go for the Annie, dude, but she's being cringe, so I'm gonna force her to, I'm gonna play hard to get, you know?
Oh, I know.
So you gotta do it sometimes. That's a big got. Because he's got double Titans resolve with, Gargantuan.
Oh, that's gonna be. Is he 3? Oh, he's not 3-star
It's
yet.
2-starred, but he has another headliner on the bench. Why is his headliner not the one out?
Yeah, why not just sell the 2-star Urgot you have and put that out?
He gets an extra 10% Omnivamp and 15% AD on headliner. I think it's going to be disgusting if he 3-stars it. I'm a little scared of him, not gonna lie. Oh, nice. This guy hurts, dude. He's got 7 KDA already.
Really?
Yeah. What a normie, dude.
That's what Vex says, right? I keep
Does
hearing
she?
Vex say that. What a bunch of normies. It's cringe.
Dude, that probably is what Vex says, honestly. But me and Vex are like the same person, so I respect that.
I don't know who the KDA player is, but he's not getting that RE.
That's what I was gonna say, bro. Jeez. I need
That
that.
guy's
My
playing
character
punk,
is so
but
massive.
he's
I'm like
not
watching the
rolling.
wrong thing. He's probably saving all his money for one fat roll at the end, imagine.
That's true.
It's not gonna be good, I don't think, but I'm curious to see what happens. Yeah, so we'll do that, and we'll do this. There we go, baby. Now I got 3 KDA up. This guy hurts, bro. But my movie will be holding it down. By the way, Diamond Hands has saved me multiple rounds now because the movie starts getting shredded instantly, and then all of a sudden Diamond Hands just gives him time to heal
Yeah.
back up.
Nice.
There's another Echo. Nice.
Oh, there's a country mirror in my shop.
There's an Annie. Do you still have yours?
Yeah, do you? Oh, I don't have a sender yet, but I do have one.
Okay, well, send yours when you can.
Also having a Moo. That help.
Actually, it probably will at some point because I only need one more 2-star. But we'll see what happens. That guy made his Bard the frontline tank.
Interesting.
That's what I was saying, dude. Why would you do that?
Oh, this guy
Isn't
put in
that
his headliner
trolling?
Urgot. It's so strong.
Yeah, I'm on the way.
Oh no, it's just one-shotting me.
Oh, Nanny, no! She spawned on him. You saw that?
Look how much health he's getting back.
That's because he gets crazy Omnivamp from Bloodthirster and his other thing. Plus, he's going a lot of Mosher, isn't he? What's his name? Seawain? Oh no, it's the other one. Turismo? Yeah. Mosher also gives him an extra 15% on top of that. Oh, I got Nanny. Never mind. You can sell yours.
I got two
Finally,
Moomoos.
I only 3-starter on 4-7.
I got so many swords.
You know, my Mumu might be tanky enough to deal with that thing, but I don't know.
Need 4 more Smears, 3 more cats.
I'm actually actively buying Urgots just to make sure this guy doesn't get it.
Yeah. I mean, I have
I'm just gonna
I
start
have
spam
4
buying him.
Urgots right now, so
Yeah, I don't want this guy getting it, so I'm just gonna keep buying him. This 3-star Urgot might actually become unkillable.
yeah.
Dude, I really don't like this KDA player. He hurts really bad. He's killing my Amumu every time. Thank you for the support here. It was looking a little spicy. Also, a little 10k damage on the Annie.
Special Link component, 5 cost and 7 gold. Spatula for just 7 gold.
Maybe like special component.
Need a tier right
Alrighty.
for emo. I guess you don't really. It's probably not even worth. It might be worth going 6
No,
emo.
because
Actually.
I'm probably gonna get rid of.
Well, this makes a KDA emblem.
So I don't need the KDA. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get rid of this bitch, the Vex, and put in something better, like this guy. I really don't need 6 emo, but I mean I could go if I wanted. Uh-oh, his teammate's coming in. Oh shit, that's a lot of units. Oh, stop. There's so many of them. The punk guy isn't very strong, but his teammate showed up with his whole board.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I could sell some stuff actually. Okay, tell me what traits for Forger 5 cost 7 gold or an artifact item.
Homa traits.
Okay. This guy's putting out 2 Urgots at this point because he's pissed he can't kill the other ones.
I'm against the Urgot guy. Everyone get that Urgot. Finally.
Wow, I barely lost that.
Barely won that against... my entire team was fighting the Urgot. I also got a
Guys,
country emblem. I can go 7
This
country if
dude
I get
has
a headliner.
8 traits right now. Teammate seems like he's weak though.
That emblem. Guardian.
True damage or Guardian? Which one are you looking at?
And true damage. Like the crest one. But
Yeah.
I also have a 2-star Moo, but I
What
can't
do
send
I
him yet.
want here? But I guess I'm just gonna take this. I'll have my Ari start doing some true damage.
That for you. There you go, buddy.
Thanks, man. I appreciate that. Now I'm looking for echoes. Nice suit. It has a lot of traits.
Who am I
I
missing
was
for country?
1 Annie ult away from killing him though.
What?
You're not missing anything with country. What are you talking about?
I
You should
should-
only get 6 if you have a headliner. You need trait to do 7. Or,
I have an
a totem for
emblem.
7.
I have an
So you-
emblem.
So who's your headliner?
Hirashi's country.
Let me see.
I should have
So
7
let's see.
country right now.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh no, I put my other emblem on. That's why. I put my Guardian emblem on. There we go.
There we go. I was gonna say. Man, I really need to level up. I'm only level 7. Oh, I'm against the KDA player again, man. Cut it out with the KDA players, bro.
Get him, Hacker M. No! Darkaisa. I hate jazz. Oh, this
That's
is
what I'm
it.
saying,
This
dude.
is it. Right here.
If they all die.
Wow.
One of those teams isn't actually on death, though. They're just 1 health.
Yeah. Wait, really?
Yeah. Look at Nisu. And look at the other team. It's like Drizmo's on red. But the other guy's on.
Oh, yeah.
I need 1 echo. 1. Uno echo. Oh, there we go. That's my 3-star echo. Nice.
Need 1 Katarina. 3 Samiras. 4 Threshes.
That is a very very, very tanky Pantheon.
I killed this guy.
How you liking the country?
Country by itself so bad, but the executioner is pretty nice. And the 7 country, I mean, just good.
Yeah, what does the Infernal Dreadsteed give again?
I'll have to read it in a sec. I'm trying to. Oh, finally. Oh, and she's got based items.
Sheesh. I'm gonna check when you start yours.
Country or he has 5,500 health.
So it gives 20% attack speed and 20% omnivamp to all units. That's pretty insane. No, not the freaking Kaisa, bro. Kaisa's getting sent over. Dude, how is this Kaisa just like hard carrying her entire team, man?
I couldn't kill that Pantheon.
Yeah, that's what I was
If we
saying
switch
before, he's
players,
very tanky.
might be able to get the other guy.
Yeah. I have a little bit of true damage for the Pantheon.
Need 1 Urgot.
That. Because the other guy died, you can finally get it.
Yeah. Can't get this guy.
Oh, that's unlucky. I was killing the
Oh,
Pantheon.
there's a chance. And he just.
No, that.
Oh,
He one-shot him. Sheesh. And he did 18,000 damage. Oh my god. That's a 1-star, bro. Oh, it's a 1 cost.